Hello teacher and my dear friends, I will play the Gayatri Mantra with the beat. So, first we are going to change the tone. This is piano tone and this is harmonium tone. So, the tone which is suitable for our song is piano tone. Look, it will sound like this. Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha. It's a good tone. Now we will select the beat. We will go on start button, then stop it and go on pattern button. Then after pressing the pattern button, go on start button. Then the beat will show and this sign means that the next beat will start like this. And this sign means that backwards the beat which we played backwards will come like this. And the suitable beat for Gayatri Mantra is 38. And now this is the tempo. This is the start track and this is the slow track. Look, it will sound like this. And slow is this. And we can use it as per the need. And now we will play the Gayatri Mantra with the beat. 38 number beat and the piano tone for the Gayatri Mantra.